Hi, hi everyone. So it's been a long time we have joined live in the evening session. So today's evening, last day, last live and last sale of the year. So today's sale is handloom saris. So these are priced, original priced at 1550. So now I'm giving this saris. One is 1250 range and another one is Venkatgiri saris with that golden pattu border. So those are for 1350. There are two ranges of saris now. One is 1250, another one is 1350. I'll start showing the saris very quickly. Please, whoever want to book, they can immediately take a screenshot. And I'm very excited. I'm doing a live on 31st December, end of the year 2020. Hope everything will be good this year and everyone will be happy, healthy, and prosperous. Yes, we'll start. So we'll start with it. So these are nice Narayanpet cotton saris. So this particular kind of design you would have already seen. So yeah, this is the first one. Black with the yellow color combination. Nice mustard color border with the what design is the wave zigzag wave design. So yeah, this is how it looks. These are very comfortable and what to say, very classy waves. These are pure handlooms Narayanpet saris. So this in this design whichever I'm showing, these are all for just 1250 rupees only with shipping. These are 1250 rupees with free shipping. Black with the mustard color border with zigzag borders on both the sides. So you'll be having a running blouse. There is no separate pattern for the blouse. You'll be having the same pattern of that of the blouse sari. So this is the pallu with the lines you'll be getting. So black with the mustard color sari. So this is for 1250. This design, all the saris are for 1250. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks on the single pleat. The price of this is 1250 free shipping. Okay, next. So the next is in the dark maroon or the burgundy color with the green color combination. Yeah, this is the one with the same design. This is in the burgundy with the green color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice bright and rich colors. These handlooms are very comfortable to wear. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1250. The pallu is in the lines, in the same pattern in the lines. Okay, this is how it looks on the single pleat. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Dark maroon or burgundy color with the bottle green color combination. Okay, whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message. So this is how it is. Dark maroon with the green color combinations. It's very pretty. All are very pretty colors, and these are all very soft cottons. Okay, you need not put starch also. These are very soft cottons and they lies on your skin. So this is in the olive green with the red color combination. Yeah, this is the olive green with the red color combination. The price of this is again 1250. So nice Narayanpet cotton cotton saris. With this we have made gowns as well. So yeah, this is olive green with the red color combination. The price of this is also just 1250 only. The last year end, last day, last live and last sale. Yes. So this is olive green with the red color combination. So this is how it looks. This looks very good when you pleat it and put it on a proper pleats and you pin it. So those looks very elegant and very decent. Moms for office wear, teachers or anybody. For it's very decent way. Normal house wear, I mean casual wear also you can wear casual outings. So yeah, this is olive green with the red color combination. The price of this is also 1250 free shipping. So the blouse is included in the sari and the pallu is for all the saris comes with the stripes like this. So this is one of my favorite grey with the red color combination. So grey with red is always a very subtle and a beautiful combination. So it's a subtle beauty kind. So yeah, this is how it looks. Grey with the red color border on both the sides. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1250. Okay. Grey with the red color combination. Size number 4 or 5 I guess. So this is also for 1250. So this is the pallu you'll be getting in the lines. So the blouse you'll be getting as that of the same as the sari. The running blouse you'll be getting. Okay. The price is 1250. So the next one is the shiny parrot green with the black color combination. So this is also very good. Thank you, Gautam. Thank you for joining. Gautam. Okay, so this is in the nice shiny parrot green with the black color combination. The price of this is also 1250. So yeah, this is how it looks on the single pleat. The blouse you'll be having a running blouse. So this, all these sarees are mesmerized cotton sarees. These are not normal sarees, mesmerized cotton sarees. So this will have a very good shine on it when you wear. So this is black with the parrot green color combination. The price of this is also 1250. Next. I have limited pieces in each color, so whoever wants to book, you can take a screenshot and you can message and you can book immediately. Okay, so this is in the orange with the red color combination. Okay, this is in the orange with the red color combination. Yeah. On single pleat it looks like this, orange with the red color combination. So this is also one of the people ask for mostly orange with the red color combination in other pattern sarees as well. This is Narayanpet. In Venkatgiri also it has been a very good hit because of it looks very traditional, and somehow people like it. This color combination. So this is also in the shiny orange color. So all the sarees which I am showing, they have a shiny texture on the sarees because these are all mesmerized cotton sarees. So this is how it looks, orange with the red color combination. Yeah, this is the pallu you'll be getting. On single pleat it looks like this. Okay, the price of this is also 1250. Next is people's favorite. This is in the violet with the mustard yellow color combination. Yeah, this is violet with the mustard yellow color combination. On single plate it looks like this. Violet is a very bright color, youth color as well. People like of our age group, maybe if you wanted to buy cotton sarees, you better go for a brighter color contrast, so it will looks elegant in bright color. So this is in the purple violet with the mustard color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. These are all, or the yes, I've seen all these are plain ones only. All these are mesmerized cotton which have that shiny texture on them. Yeah, this is how it looks. You'll be having a running blouse as same as that of the sari. You can use it. It will be on the other edge of it. So this is the pallu. You'll be getting it with the lines. Okay, these are mesmerized Narayanpet cotton saris. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. The violet with the mustard color combination. This is shiny mustard color with the maroon color combination. So you can see the shine here. So other than normal cotton, you will have the shine. Okay, shiny mustard brown with the maroon color combination. So yeah, this is how it looks on the single pleat. Okay, oh yeah, when you drape it, it is like this. Oh, shiny mustard brown with the maroon color combination. Yes, this is how it looks. Okay, the price of this is also 1250. All these design sarees, all these are for 1250. This is the lines pallu you'll be getting, and the blouse you'll be getting in the same running blouse pattern. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, price is 1250. Next is in the bottle green with the maroon color combination. Nice rich shiny bottle green color with the red color combination. The price of all these sarees which I am showing in this particular design, these are for 1250 rupees. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks, bottle green with the maroon color combination. This is how it looks on the single plate. This is the pallu, you'll be getting it in the lines. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, nice shiny bottle green you'll be getting. So on the plates, yeah, this is how it looks when you plate it. Nice rich bottle green color with the maroon color combination. So the offer valid on this is also only for today and for tomorrow. So all the sale videos whichever I am posting, the sale is only for today, 31st December and Jan 1st. Okay, yeah, the prices of this is also 1250. Next is in the blue and blue combination. Any blue lovers here? This is in the shiny Anand blue color. So I'll show them in like how it is shiny. So yeah, you can see that mesmerized shine on the cloth. Yeah. So yeah, this is how it is. Anand blue. This is like a rare color combination. So this Krishna blue with the purple color, purple blue color combination. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks on the single plate. So this is nicely, it is contrasting with this. So this is I felt it is a unique color combination. Krishna blue with the violet blue color combination. So the price of this is also 1250. Pallu will be in the lines like this. Okay, when you plait it, it will be like this. Nice Krishna blue color, shiny Krishna blue with the purple blue color combination border on both the sides. Okay, next. Yeah. Next is that design. That is the last one in that particular design. So this is the next this wavy pattern design. So these are also mesmerized Narayanpet cotton saris. So this is the wavy design you will be having for this saris. I have two. Okay. So only two saris I have in this, orange and Gaju Vanne blue color I have. So this is the wavy design you will be having. The price of this is also same 1250. You are having two borders complementing it up and down. So it looks little more appealing when you see, because the small border here and the big border here as well. So ఇది ఎంత ఉంటుంది సారీ 6.2 కదా. This is 6.2 with blouse. You will be having the running blouse for all the sarees, and in the pallu you will be having the lines. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice orange color with the wavy design and the red and the brown colors complementing. So this is the pallu with the different lines, and the tassels you will be getting for all the sarees. For the before saree also you'll be having the tassels at the end of the saree. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is also for 1250. Next one is a Gaju Vanne blue color. Yeah, this is also Gaju Vanne blue. You can see the shine. Yeah, you can see the shine, right? Yeah, all are cotton sarees. All are pure handloom mesmerized cotton sarees. Normal cotton sarees are little tough comparatively. Mesmerized is the quality of the cotton. It defines the quality of the cotton sarees. So all these are mesmerized cotton sarees. So very lightweight, and it see the saree itself is like very falling. Cotton is basically stiff. So these are not any silk mix or anything. Pure mesmerized Narayanpet cotton sarees. Okay, this is in the Gaju Vanne blue color with the magenta color highlights on both the sides. This is also in the wavy design. Yeah, this is how it looks. Magenta and some golden mustard with the wavy design, and Gaju Vanne blue color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Simply made the, yeah, this is the one. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Yeah, this is how it is. The price of this is also 1250. With this wavy design is also done. Next we are seeing Venkatgiri cotton sarees with the different design borders on sale. Okay, the price of this with the pattu borders, these are for 1350. Okay, we'll start seeing. This is the red with the yellow mustard color combination. With this we have made gowns as well. You can use it as a saree, and you can make gowns of your interest. So this comes with the zari pattu borders. So yeah, nice shine rich pattu borders you will be getting for the cottons. These are also pure cottons. These are not mesmerized cotton. These are soft rich cottons. So the cloth is very the cloth is very tender. The cloth is of very good quality. So these comes with the pattu borders. The price of this is 1350. So the pallu you will be getting again in the lines design with the tassels. So this is the pallu, and you will be getting the running blouse. Okay, this is the first one. Rich Venkatgiri cotton sarees on sale with the pattu borders. This is the first one. The price of this is 1350. From here, whichever I am showing, all the ones with the pattu border are for 1350. Okay, next. This I have only single piece. It is definitely a hot cake. So this is in the purple, pure purple color with the mustard color combination. With the pattu borders, when it complements with the pattu borders, see how beautiful it is. It is purple color, purple pink, dark, nice bright rich purple pink with the pattu border. Okay, the price of this is also 1350. Okay, this is how it looks. when you put nice pleats, it looks very beautiful. So the purple pink with the mustard color combination. The price of this is also 1350. Okay, this is how it looks on both the sides. Here you have almost like 8 inches of border, and here you have 2 inches of border. This is a very pretty color, purple pink with the mustard yellow color combination. So this is the pallu in the lines and tassels to the pallu. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot. This particular piece I have only one, purple pink with the mustard yellow combination. Okay, price is 1350. Very color chupi anni rate atla
అయిపోయింది దీంట్లో అయిపోయింది లాస్ట్
okay. Design marpu pattu border kada. This is in the mustard orange color, nice reddish orange color with the red color border. Yeah, the blouse is the running blouse, Sindhu. So the same blouse you will be having here, it will be there at the edge. It is the same blouse only. If you want, you can wear any contrast blouse that you have at your home. Okay, this is bright or the dark reddish orange shade with the red color complements, highlights all over. So yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1350. This is the pallu you will be having with the tassels. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is 1350. The other side correct. So this is in the dark green. This is in the dark green with the peacock design. Okay, this is the dark green with the peacock design borders. This is basically a bottle green color with the maroon color combination. Okay, so the pattu border is same. For some borders you have motifs, some borders you don't have motifs. So this is a very rich one compared to the before one. So this is bottle green with the maroon color combination. So this is the border you will be getting with the peacocks on both the sides. Pattu border you'll be having. So the price of this is also it's completely washable, and it is maintenance is also low. That is, you need not put starch and all. You can wear it as it is. It is very good and pure, rich cotton, in the sense the quality of the cotton, the count of the cotton is more, so it makes the cloth very smooth. Okay, bottle green with the red color combination. This is the price is again 1350. This is in the burgundy or the dark burgundy brown or the dark maroon shade. Water bomma. So yeah, so this is how it is, dark burgundy or the brown color maroon color combination with the bottle green color highlights it is given. So yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1350. This is the pallu comes with the lines with the tassels. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks on the single pleat. The price is again 1350. Excuse me. Okay, thank you Cindy. It will look very good on you too. Just buy it for yourself or for your mom, your aunts or anybody. They'll definitely like the quality of the sari because it is very skin friendly. See, the cloth itself, it feels like silk when you see in the video, but it is pure cotton. It is just because of the lightweight cottons. So this is a grey, pattu style grey. So this particular thing is the Rudraksha design. Before we have seen normal design, next we have seen peacock design, now we are seeing Rudraksha design. Okay, yeah, this is the Rudraksha design you will be having. So the price of all these with the pattu borders which I am showing, all the sarees are for 1350 with free shipping. The offer valid is only for today and for tomorrow. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is grey, pattu style. I mean, that pattu shine grey. See, it looks very elegant on anyone when you drape it. So when you drape it, these two pattu borders gets together, so that gives a good look on your face when you see yourself or if anybody sees you. Okay, so this particular color, so this has a shine on the sari. Yeah, this is the final look of the sari. This is how it looks. The price of this is also 1350. I need purple sari. Can you block Bindu. I'll remember. I'll first just please inbox me now, so that I'll check your inbox first. Bindu, right? Yeah. A purple saree I have only one. Okay. So this is another one. This is also in the peacock design. This is nice pattu shiny green, shiny parrot green with the black color combination. See how beautiful it is when you wear. So it doesn't feel like a normal cotton saree. See, even I do also wear for small functions or to visit anybody's house. So it looks very elegant. Just go with a contrast blouse if you don't want to use this blouse for this saree, because it comes with the running blouse. Just go with a normal simple black blouse. It looks very elegant. So yeah, this is green with the black color combination. The price of this is also 1350. It has this pattu border. Okay, 1350 free shipping. Okay, green with the black is done. Next is lavender, guys. ఒకటే ఉందా ఇది కూడా? So this is shiny lavender color. See how beautiful this color is. Shiny lavender with dark magenta type of pink complemented ones on both the sides. Highlighted border. See how beautiful this color is. So this is the Rudraksha design. So on both the sides you'll be having the borders. Okay. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is dark lavender color with the red color contrast and the pattu color border. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks. Lavender with the red color combination. The price of this is also 1350. So the pallu again always comes with this colorful lines and this tassels. Blouse will be a running blouse. This also I have only one piece. It's a very pretty color. It looks fancy as well. This is a fancy color. So this is a dark lavender color with the dark pink color combination, borders on both the sides. Okay, next. So next is in the mustard brown with the maroon color combination. Okay, this is mustard brown with the maroon color combination. Same Rudraksha design border you will be getting. So yeah, this is how it is. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. When you drape it, it looks like this. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Dark mustard brown color with the maroon color highlights on both the sides. The price of this is also 1350. Yeah, the price of this mustard brown with the maroon color combination. So this is also for 1350. We'll see the next color. Bro, time chudu.
8:15. Live day.
This is nice. This is Kalneta green. So this has a two dual shade. So if you see the green and some shade of blue, you can see. Okay, this is Kalneta green. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is also Rudraksha border. So you can see the shine, right? Very clearly visible in the video itself. The green with some kind of blue tinge it is having. So this is that kind of green with the blue shade. So when you drape it, it looks like this. These all looks very good on the that really complements your face, because these are all, you know, fancy colors. Regular colors are also there. Huh? Regular colors live on ఇది చేయలేదేమో నువ్వు నెట్. That's okay, no problem. Yeah, this is in the green with the maroon color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, the price of this is also 1350. Nice Kalneta green color you can mention. Time రాట్లేదా? జనరల్లీ వస్తుందా? అక్కడ టైం చూపిస్తుందా జనరల్లీ?
లైఫ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన టైం చూసుకుంటాను.
అదా మరి ఏదో అనుకున్నా, రివర్స్ ఇచ్చావు.
ఓకే, 1 minute.
8 స్టార్ట్ చేసాము.
I don't remember. Okay, we'll see the next saree. Next is in the red with the mustard. So this is a regular color and a very good color as well. The ones which I have shown, those are unique colors. If you wanted to try some good handloom sarees, just try with the new colors, so that really interests you. So this is in the red with the mustard color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is again 1350. This is the Rudraksha design pattu borders. So these are all rich cotton sarees. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Red with the mustard color combination. The price of this is also 1350. Time వస్తుందా బ్రో? రావట్లేదా? ఏంటి కదా?
ఇప్పుడే టైం అయింది, అరగంట రాదు
అయితే ఓకే. జనరల్గా వస్తుంది, ఇప్పుడు రాదా లేకపోతే హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ అని
రాదు టైం.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. So this is in the nice subtle and you know, very beautiful gray color with the maroon color combination. I need not explain much because when you see itself, I think you feel that it is a beautiful, right? Yes, Lavanya, thank you so much. I'm continuously repeating the price. Thank you so much for quoting it in the comments. Yeah, this is nice dark gray color with the maroon color combination. So this is the design you will be getting. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice dark gray color with that black tinge with the maroon color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks on single pleat. It looks like this. Now better you pleat it only when for this sarees, because it looks rich when this big border comes upon your shoulder. Your face looks more good. Okay, this is for 1350. This is the pallu, colorful lines with the tassels. You'll be having a running blouse. Okay.
The four.
అయిపోయిందిగా.
ఓకే.
Oh yeah, this is also very very beautiful color. This I have only one piece. This is also we have sold in a good number. Have to purchase, you can take a screenshot of the saree which you wanted to buy, and you can message me now during the live also. Once I am done, I'll reply you back and I'll take your order. If you have missed anything, just wait for the video to be posted on the IGTV. You can take a screenshot and you can order then. Okay, so this is also very shiny. You can just see. So this is a kind of green with that. So this blue is shining here. Okay, so yeah, this is how it is. So the price of this is also 1350 on sale. Okay, nice shiny green color. Please block this, Meena Sri. Yes, please message me, Meena Sri. Morning also you have purchased. I'll remember this. This is Meena Sri for this one. Okay, Meena Sri, I'll block for this. You have my number. You can do payment and you can send me a screenshot immediately. Okay, so this is for 1350.
Yeah.
Nice shiny gray, shiny green.
Very good.
Nice. This is a nice fancy English color type. So this is for 1350. Okay, you yes. Yeah. Okay, the next one. So the next one is in the orange color. Again, it is in the Rudraksha border. Nice dark orange color. I mean like a orange, full pigmented orange color, dark bright orange color with the Rudraksha design with the red color border. I think it చూపించాం అనుకుంటా ఇందాక. Rudraksha lo చూపించినట్లేదు. So this comes with the Rudraksha border. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Okay, so this is in the dark orange. So this is in the dark Rudraksha color. Okay, this is single piece of color, I don't know. You can just message me. Yeah, this is how it is. Orange with the red color combination. Okay, this is also for 1350. So this is in the purple color. Again, this purple I have shown in the starting. Now this is another one in the purple color. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Nice purple with the mustard yellow color combination. So this is in the Rudraksha design. The before one is in the before one is in the border difference is there. But whoever wants to pick multiple pieces in the same color combination, so this is the Rudraksha design. That one also it is in the other design. So this is in the purple color with the mustard yellow color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, on everybody it looks good. So just that you have to pick your proper color and you have to show yourself nicely. That is all matters. Thank you, Bhumi. Okay, this is in the purple with the mustard yellow color combination. Okay, the price of this is also 1350. We are done, almost done. Yes, only one left. We are done. So this is the shiny green with the maroon color combination. So this is also in the Rudraksha design. So guys, please do try this handloom sarees. You don't feel that you know that you are wearing some cotton sarees or something. These handloom sarees are also made in very beautiful and crafted in a very beautiful way, almost equal to that of the pattu or the fancy sarees. Okay, this is the shiny green in the Rudraksha border with the maroon color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1350. So this is the pallu and this with the tassels. Okay, yeah, last. So this is the last sale, last video and the last saree of the show. So this is in the burgundy color, burgundy maroon color with the mustard yellow color combination. This is also very beautiful one with the burgundy with the golden mustard color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks, how beautiful it is. I really like this color. Burgundy color is one of my favorite. Burgundy maroon shade it is actually. Yeah, this is how it is, burgundy maroon with the, yes, tomorrow also we have live and the sale videos only. So this is burgundy brown or the dark maroon with the golden mustard color combination. So this is how it looks. This is also very beautiful color because of the contrast things. So yes, this is also for 1350. Yes, we are ending the live now. So I'm like very happy for the response over the 2-3 days and all the year that you have supported me and all my customers who have been a very regular customers. I have almost 50 to 60 people who buys from me regularly and who keeps buying from me always whatever I launch. Thank you so much for your love, for your support and for your trust you have kept. Always appreciate for the patience. Yes, thank you so much. Even I like interacting with you people. This is my thing and I like to talk, I like to explain, I like to give the best which is in my court, which is within me. I try to give you the best. And yeah, thank you so much. Be safe at home. Enjoy New Year with your family and friends in a safer way. Hope 2020 is done. Hope 2021 will be first a healthy and prosperous new year. First I wish each and everyone to be healthy. ఏమైంది?
హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్.
Thank you. అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. యా, ఐ హోప్ 2021 విల్ బి ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ ఇస్ హెల్త్. I wish everybody should be healthy in 2021 and achieve their goals. Life has so much struck in 2020. I could never remember 2020 in my life. It is all like struck. So hope 2021 will be a very good year for all of you, for me, for your family and for the whole world. Hoping a healthy world. Thank you so much. Love you all and yes, I'm done signing off. Bye.